Hello and welcome to Forest Thrills. In today's video, we've just had a stay here at the Boulevard Hotel in Blackpool. So stick around, we'll show you around and we'll let you know what we think at the end. Before we go any further, click down below and click that subscribe button. Let's go, guys. As usual, guys, I'll start off at the front door where you can see some fire safety stuff. There's a peephole, there's your lock, and just here is the controls for your air conditioning. I'll turn you around and show you the entranceway. Plenty of room here. You've got this contraption for unpacking your luggage. We've just dumped all ours because we wanted to get settled in quickly. Up above though, you've got a do not disturb sign on the coat hooks. 1, 2, 3, and I do really like this lovely wood grain effect. Right here, I've got a full length mirror, really cool. And just behind that, around here to the left of the entrance, is this lovely walk-in wardrobe sort of area. The first thing you'll spy though is the goodies. You've got everything here. You've got your kettle, there's a couple of mugs, spoons, 2 real glasses, shortbread, tea, coffee, decaf coffee, and there's also hot chocolate, sugar, sweetener, basically everything you're gonna need. Now if you watch our videos, you'll know what's going to be in here, because I love this in a hotel room. It's a mini fridge. Open it up for you because it's stocked up with complimentary Voss water and plenty of milk as well for all your teas and coffees. Close that over. Now just here, we've stored our shoes in these, but some storage areas, and there's more on the other side as well. In one of them you can find the hairdryer. There's plenty of these storage areas all around. There's also coat hangers, there's some bathrobes, there's some complimentary slippers, there's an ironing board and an iron as well. Now down here, I'll open up for you, there's your safe as well. Just there is the bin, there's a double plug socket and full length mirror again with this little shelving area as well. Now I'll take you into the main part of the room, which is beautiful. Give you an overview and show you around. On this side of the bed you'll find a lamp, there's your light switches, double plug socket and double USB. There's also a little reading light as well. There's this little bedside table, the shelf sort of thing. The shelf. This drawer I meant to actually say. But yeah, there's a drawer. And the headboard of the bed, I do really like that as well. Just visually pleasing. And I'll take you on to the other side. Got the same again. Double plug, double USB, switches for the lights and the little reading light as well, followed up by the lamp. Now around here we've got another mirror, and we've not only got one armchair, but we've also got another one. And these are both super comfy. Yeah. Got a little table as well. Some tissues. Massive window. And another massive window. But I'll show you out those in a second. Because firstly, I'm going to take you over and show you the size of the TV. Which is huge. Got loads of apps on there. Get information about the room service, the pleasure beach. There's Chromecast if you want to watch Netflix, Amazon, any of that stuff. If you want to watch Forest Thrills, you can watch that on there. Hint hint. But over here we also have telephone, pencil, paper. There's a reed diffuser which smells really nice. And you'll notice this empty plate. There was originally a cake on there, it was red velvet. I left the room for 1 second and Tash managed to munch the whole thing. But notice how she's left me the healthy bits, the little strawberries. And they also gave us this card as well to welcome us back to the hotel. It's our 3rd time here, so that was lovely. And it's also been Tash's birthday, so that was a nice surprise. Really appreciate that. And now I'll show you out the window, because this is my favourite part. Now look at that view. Straight onto the Blackpool Pleasure Beach. You can see the big one. You can see pretty much all the rides nearly. Just love how at the Pleasure Beach they all interact with each other. Yeah, the view from here, I can't complain at all. I'll take you over to the other one. I nearly missed this as well. We've actually got a piece of artwork, which is Mr. Funshine figure skating. He's the Pleasure Beach mascot, for anyone that didn't know. And out this window, we've got the best of both worlds, because over there you can see the sea, and if you look back a bit, you can see the Pleasure Beach again. Absolutely stunning views. Perfect. The room's right on the corner of the hotel, so I can't complain about this room at all. Stunning. Next up though, I'll take you into the bathroom and I'll show you around that. In here we have the bathroom. And the first thing you notice is the absolutely beautiful floor tiles. I really like those. And you're greeted with these lovely, not only one but 2 sinks. Excuse the flickering, it is just my camera. You've got some complimentary hand soap here, face cloths, there's a glass there, and there is a glass there. There's a massive mirror, and there is a vanity mirror here as well. Now down below there is also more storage. You can find a bath mat and some towels. There's also extra toilet roll as well. Over here, toilet roll, bin, toilet, and up above gave us more goodies. There's a vanity set, shoe sponge, shower cap, and a shaving set. There's also even more shampoo, conditioner, bath foam and shampoo, and a body lotion. There's a heated towel rail, and this stunning area around here where you'll find lovely tiles, nice bath, and up above there's a shower as well. Really like this bathroom, visually stunning. Yeah, can't complain, absolutely perfect. So just outside our room is actually the entrance to the stairwell, and just at the top there's this lovely little seating area which looks out onto the park again, and there's also this really cool artwork that we spotted. There's that, Funshine hiding in there, and I'll take you down the stairs a bit and show you that as well. That is really nice.
Nicest stairwell I've ever seen.
Yeah. And over here, there's some more artwork.
Oh, and it gets nicer.
And there's even more there. Grand National inspired. Take you down further. More seats. Retro Pleasure Beach. Massive mirror. Coolie. And there's even more. All the artwork in the hotel is a Pleasure Beach hotel, but all of it is of course Pleasure Beach inspired. Let's see if there's any more down here. Yeah, show you this last one. There we go.
Got to end on that sunset.
Oh yeah, I'll turn you around and leave you with that sunset for now. I must say, the late night room service here in the Boulevard looks absolutely delicious. So now that you've seen the room tour, guys, let us know down below in the comments, what do you think? The price we paid for this room was £178.50 per night. It's a deluxe executive room and we absolutely love it. This is actually our third trip back to this hotel and we've loved it every single visit. The service you get from when you walk through those doors to the very end when you're checking out is amazing. We can't complain about a single thing. They'll go over and above to make sure your stay is as comfortable as it gets. The room service is top notch. Down in the restaurant, the food is amazing, and just the friendliness of the staff in general, really good. The cleanliness in the rooms, spot on, and all the amenities within the hotel itself as well, perfect. So if you're looking for a good, slightly luxury stay in Blackpool, definitely get yourself to the Boulevard Hotel right here. And just before I wrap things up here, guys, if you've not already, click down below and click that subscribe button. Drop a thumbs up on the video if you like what you've seen and you want to see more content just like this. And from us here at Forest Thrills, thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.